Okay, to do this job, to replace the lower ball joint, you need to remove this sensor first. You will need a tool like this. What you're going to do is just right here, way on the bottom, you just stick it inside and then just make pressure a little bit up and the sensor will start going out. It's secure here. You see here is this one. You need to push it up and then it will come off. Now with a 19mm socket and a brake bar, we're gonna lose them. You can use an impact too, but just gonna do it with this one right now. Okay, now it's loose. The second one. Now that you have it loose, you can take it off all the way. And what you're gonna do next is we're gonna come to the front and we're gonna lift with the jack, the rotor here, to lift it. Now what you're gonna do here is, use the lock nuts to hold the rotor. Then with the jack, you're gonna try to lift it right here from the bottom of the rotor. Just do it carefully. And you will see it separate already. So right now, I'm gonna move it to the side. Just do it carefully, be patient. You don't want to drop this because it's heavy. And now, you see you have it on the side. Now this is free to work on it. That is the easy way. Just make sure this is stable so you don't damage anything. Now you can start working on this. Okay, now we're going to remove the pins. You will use 17 on this one. Now we're going to use this tool to separate doesn't matter you damage this one because you're already gonna put a new one. Never take off all the bolt, because if you do it, when this one compress, everything blow out. So just leave it like that. And that one is loose now. Now we keep going with the next one. And you will do the same procedure. On this one you need like a fork like this to break it down, or just this one like this, but this one is too short for me. It won't work. So just, you will see right now. So what you need to do is, you know, this one is too small, but you need a bigger one. Right now I don't have it, so you need to go there, hit it. Until it breaks loose. If this one doesn't work, what you can do, the most that you can over there, just hit it from here. It doesn't matter. Just hit it until it come off. See, now it's loose. Okay, now we have the new one. We'll do the same. where is the hole? This one. The hole is right here, so I need to tighten a little bit more. And now we're gonna try to put this one back. I'm gonna put the camera there, but in this case, try to do this. Try to leave it in a way. When you try to put this one back, it needs to be completely even. You will see in the rear camera, if they have a little gap besides here or here, you need to raise it up again and play with it until it settle down very well. Now we're gonna bring back this one here. Very carefully. Now that you are here, here's the jack. Now you need to do it with your, hold it with your hand. Place it a little bit more down. There. Now you raise it. Okay, you see the gaps? So it's still not good. Even you can try to move it like that, whatever you want to do. The nuts, it will go in. So this one needs to be completely flat. So I need to raise it up again and try to play with it until it settle down well. Okay, let's try it there. Now this gap is even and this one is open, but it's the straight up side. Now let's check if the ball go through nicely. See? Now it's good. See, easy to get in. Now I will do the impact gun. And now the last thing to do is just to connect the sensor again. And you will be done with the lower ball joint.